transposition method. The process of moving algebraic terms from LHS to RHS and vice versa is called transposition. Transposing terms from one side of the equation to another side. Addition changes to subtractions, subtraction changes to addition, multiplication changes to division, division changes to multiplications. Example for transposition using addition changes to subtractions. X plus 5 is equal to 10. This is the equation. X plus 5 is equal to 10. Here x is a literal, 5 is a constant value, that is positive 5. 5 is a constant value is equal to 10. Here using the transposition method, addition changes to subtraction. The process of moving algebraic terms from LHS to RHS. Now you can move the constant value to LHS to RHS. X is equal to 10. Here 5 is positive. Move to the right hand side, that is negative, that is subtraction 5. X is equal to 10 minus 5. Now x is equal to 5. Next example for subtraction changes to addition. Example, x minus 10 is equal to 5. Here x is a literal, the constant value is negative 10 is equal to 5. Now move the constant value to LHS to RHS side. X is equal to 5. Here 10 is negative value. Move to RHS, that is positive, that is addition. Addition 10. X is equal to 15. Next one is multiplication changes to division. Example, 5x is equal to 10. Here 5 is a constant, x is a literal, so LHS x is equal to, the constant value is 5, move to the RHS side. Here 5 into x, so here multiplication, move to the RHS side, that is division. 10 divided by 5, x is equal to 10 divided by 5, x is equal to 2. Next one is division changes to multiplication. For example, x by 5 is equal to 10. Here x divided by 5, x is a literal, 5 is a constant, that is divided, so x is equal to 10. Here in this LHS, 5 is divided value, move to the RHS, that changes to multiplication 5. X is equal to 50. Exercise 4.2, first question. Solve the following by the transposition method and check your answers. Ninth question. A plus 3 by 2 is equal to 5 minus 6a. Solution. Write down the question. A plus 3 by 2 is equal to 5 minus 6a. In left hand side, literal and constant. In right hand side also constant values and literal values. First move the literal values to the LHS side and the constant values to the RHS side. Second step, A. Here in RHS, literal is negative 6a. Move to the LHS side, that is positive 6a is equal to 5. Here the constant value 3 by 2 is positive. Move to the RHS side, that is negative 3 by 2. Now the LHS is A common. Here 1 plus 6 is equal to 7a is equal to, here 5 is a whole number, 3 by 2 that is the fraction number. First here convert this whole number to fraction, that is 1. Now taking the LCM, here LCM is 2, here 2, the common factor is 2. Now you can multiply 2 on both numerator and denominator. 5 2s are 10 minus 3. Here 7a is equal to 10 minus 3 divided by 2. 7a is equal to 10 minus 3, that is 7 by 2. In RHS, that is 7 by 2. 7 by 2, that is divided. 7 divided by 2. The 2 is in dividend. So move to the LHS side, that is changes to multiplication. 2 into 7a is equal to 7. Now 7 2s are 14, a is equal to 7. Here find the a value. So a is equal to, the 14 is move to the RHS side, that is becomes divided 7 by 2. A is equal to 1 by 2. Here the question is, solve the following transposition method and check your answers. Now you can substitute the values for literals and find the values of LHS and RHS. Check. The question is, a plus 3 by 2 is equal to 5 minus 6a. Here substitute a value is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 5 minus 6, 1 by 2 into 6 into. Now the denominator is common, so taking the common denominator, 1 plus 3 is equal to 5 minus, here multiplying the numerator, 6 by 2. In 5, that is a whole number, convert to fraction. Here taking the LCM, in LHS 4 by 2 is equal to, RHS taking the LCM 1 and 2, that is 2 is the LCM, multiplying the common factor is 2, that is 10 minus 6. 4 by 2 is equal to 4 by 2. Next 13th question. 2 into 2x plus 4 minus 3 into x minus 1 is equal to 11. Solution. Let's write down the question. 2 into 2x plus 4 minus 3 into x minus 1 is equal to 11. Now using the distributive property, 2 into 2x is 4x plus 2 into 4 is 8 minus 3 into x is 3x, using the brackets because here the sign is subtraction. So using the bracket, 3x minus 3 into 1, 3 is equal to 11. Now removing the bracket, so you can multiply the minus inside the brackets. 4x plus 8 minus 3x minus into minus plus 3 is equal to 11. Now, 4x minus 3x plus 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Now x, here the value is 4 minus 3, that is 1. X, 4 minus 3 is 1. 8 plus 3 is plus 11 is equal to 11. X is equal to, here the constant value is 11. Move to the RHS side, 11 minus 11. X is equal to 0. Now check your answer. Check. The question is, 2 into 2x plus 4 minus 3 into x minus 1 is equal to 11. Substitute x is equal to 0. 2 into 0 plus 4 minus 3 into 0 minus 1 is equal to 11. Here 2 into 0 plus 4 minus 3 into, using the BODMAS rule, here 0 minus 1 is minus 1 is equal to 11. Here also using the same BODMAS rule, first bracket values, find the bracket values. 2 into 0 plus 4, that is 4. Here also into minus into minus plus 3. Negative 3 into negative 1 is positive 3 is equal to 11. 4 2s are 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. 8 plus 3 is 11 is equal to 11. Hence it is checked. Exercise 4.2. First question, homework sums. First Roman, third, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth and 14 and 18 sum. These are the homework sums.